Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more content about trading, financial markets, and strategies that can help you become a smarter trader. Now let's talk about one of the most interesting currencies in the forex market, the Australian dollar. Every day, trillions of dollars move through the global currency market. Among those currencies, the Australian dollar, often called the Aussie, is one of the most actively traded in the world. But here's what makes it special. Unlike some currencies that move mainly because of politics or central bank decisions, the Australian dollar is deeply connected to global commodities, economic cycles, and international trade. This means when iron ore prices rise, when China's economy expands, or when global risk appetite changes, the Australian dollar often reacts quickly. For traders, this creates unique opportunities. In this video, we'll explore how the Australian dollar works, what moves it, and how traders approach trading it in the forex market. Understanding the Australian dollar in forex. The Australian dollar is the official currency of Australia and is commonly represented by the currency code AUD. In the forex market, it is most often traded in currency pairs such as AUD/USD, AUD/JPY, AUD/NZD, AUD/CAD. Among these, AUD/USD is the most popular and liquid pair. Because of Australia's strong economy and stable financial system, the Australian dollar has become one of the major currencies traded globally. Forex traders pay close attention to the Aussie because it often reflects broader global economic trends. Why the Australian dollar is known as a commodity currency. One of the most important characteristics of the Australian dollar is that it is considered a commodity currency. Australia is one of the world's largest exporters of natural resources, including iron ore, coal, gold, natural gas. These commodities play a major role in Australia's economy. When global demand for these resources increases, Australia's export revenues rise, which can strengthen the Australian dollar. For example, when iron ore prices surge due to strong demand from industrial economies, the Australian dollar often gains value against other currencies. Because of this relationship, commodity traders and forex traders frequently monitor resource markets when trading the Aussie. The influence of China on the Australian dollar. Another key factor affecting the Australian dollar is the economic relationship between Australia and China. China is Australia's largest trading partner and imports large quantities of Australian raw materials. When China's economy is growing strongly, demand for Australian exports increases. This often supports the value of the Australian dollar. However, when China experiences economic slowdowns or reduced industrial activity, demand for these resources can decline, which may weaken the currency. Because of this connection, forex traders often watch Chinese economic data when analyzing the Australian dollar. Interest rates and the Reserve Bank of Australia, like most currencies, the Australian dollar is also influenced by interest rate decisions made by its central bank, the Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA. Central banks control monetary policy, including interest rates, which can influence currency values. When interest rates in Australia rise, the Australian dollar can become more attractive to investors seeking higher returns on their capital. Higher interest rates often encourage foreign investment into Australian financial markets, increasing demand for the currency. On the other hand, when the RBA lowers interest rates, the Australian dollar may weaken as investors look for better returns elsewhere. Because of this, traders closely follow RBA announcements and monetary policy statements. Risk sentiment and the Aussie dollar. Another reason the Australian dollar is popular among traders is its connection to global risk sentiment. Currencies tend to behave differently depending on whether investors feel optimistic or cautious about the global economy. The Australian dollar is often considered a risk-sensitive currency. When global markets are optimistic and investors are willing to take risks, the Australian dollar often performs well. But when financial markets become uncertain or fearful, investors may move their money into safer currencies like the US dollar or Japanese yen. This can cause the Australian dollar to decline during periods of market stress. Understanding this relationship helps traders interpret market sentiment when trading the Aussie. Popular Australian dollar trading pairs. Let's look at some of the most commonly traded pairs involving the Australian dollar. AUD/USD. This is the most widely traded Australian dollar pair. It compares the value of the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Because both currencies represent strong economies, this pair offers high liquidity and tight spreads, making it popular with traders. AUD/JPY. This pair is particularly popular among traders who focus on risk sentiment. The Japanese yen is often considered a safe haven currency, while the Australian dollar is more risk-sensitive. When markets are optimistic, AUD/JPY tends to rise. When markets become fearful, the pair often falls. AUD/NZD. This pair compares the Australian dollar with the New Zealand dollar. Because both economies share similar characteristics and are geographically close, this pair often reflects differences in economic policy and interest rates between the two countries. Technical analysis when trading the Aussie. Many traders use technical analysis when trading the Australian dollar. Technical analysis focuses on price charts and patterns rather than economic fundamentals. Some commonly used tools include support and resistance levels, moving averages, trend lines, relative strength index, RSI, MACD indicators. These tools help traders identify potential entry and exit points based on historical price behavior. Because the forex market operates 24 hours a day, technical analysis plays an important role in identifying trading opportunities. Economic data that moves the Australian dollar. Traders also monitor key economic indicators that can influence the value of the Australian dollar. Some of the most important include employment reports, inflation data, interest rate announcements, GDP growth figures, trade balance reports. These indicators provide insights into the strength of Australia's economy. Strong economic data may increase confidence in the Australian dollar, while weaker data can create downward pressure. Trading sessions and market activity. The Australian dollar is most active during the Asian trading session because Australia's financial markets operate during that time. However, significant price movements can also occur during the London and New York sessions, especially when major economic data is released. Traders often monitor multiple sessions to capture opportunities across global markets. Understanding when markets are most active can help traders avoid periods of low liquidity and unpredictable price behavior. Risk management when trading forex. Forex trading offers many opportunities, but it also involves significant risks. Successful traders understand that protecting capital is just as important as generating profits. Common risk management practices include using stop-loss orders, managing position sizes carefully, avoiding excessive leverage, staying disciplined during market volatility. The currency market can move quickly, and unexpected events can influence prices in seconds. Risk management helps traders remain in the market long enough to develop consistent strategies. The Australian dollar remains one of the most dynamic and widely traded currencies in the global forex market. Its close connection to commodities, international trade, and global economic sentiment makes it particularly interesting for traders. By understanding the factors that influence the Aussie, including commodity prices, Chinese economic activity, interest rates, and global market sentiment, traders can gain deeper insights into how this currency behaves. While no strategy guarantees success in trading, building knowledge about market fundamentals and developing disciplined approaches can help traders navigate the complex world of forex more effectively. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about forex trading, financial markets, and trading strategies, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.